Let's learn together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to show you how to use this slot on your sketch. There are 4 different types of slot, which is first straight slot, second center point straight slot, third 3-point arc slot, and the last one center point arc slot. Okay, we proceed to the straight slot first. Okay, dekat sini dia boleh pilih juga slot type. Okay, saya pilih straight slot first. Okay. Dia ada add dimension of the slot to sketching the slot. Okay, kita boleh pilih center to center or overall line. Okay, sini dia ada parameter box, so kita boleh specify dengan x, y coordinate. Also, dia ada width of the slot and the length of the slot. Kita go through to the first sketch of the straight slot. Okay, for your information, okay, straight slot ni dia sketching by 2 endpoint at the center line. This is the first lead of the endpoint. This is the second lead of the endpoint. Okay, for the third lead is the width of the slot. Okay, kita juga boleh tukar dia punya width. Okay, by move the line. Okay, bila kita move endpoint of this slot, kita boleh tukar length of the slot.